Hi, I'm Chris Reeve, and I'm back again to show you exactly what you get for your money when you join the Special Educator Academy. This is a growing site, which means that all of these resources will continue to expand based on what the Academy members have asked to have. So this is our dashboard. When you join, you sign in. It will sign you in immediately, and you'll be able to get to all the different parts of it. And then you will also get an email with your username and password. So let's start with our courses. We have 4 courses now, and another one will be added in January. Setting up your classroom, behavioral problem solving, which takes you through functional behavior assessments and writing behavior plans. Taming the data monster, which tells you pretty much everything you need to know about setting up systems of data through your classroom. And we have a course on social skills, and each one of these courses is broken up into lessons that are 15 to 20 minutes long so that you can do them in your time on your schedule. And once you complete the entire course, you will be able to download a certificate to request CEUs from your district. It will have all the information that I provide when I do professional development in a district. So for each one of the lessons, there's typically a video and handouts and some more information. And we have done study groups as well around the courses to help everybody get through them and win prizes and things like that for participation. So those courses, again, we're getting one on communication. We'll be starting in January. Then we have 28 workshops, soon to be 29, when I add community-based instruction later tomorrow. So this one actually are 1 hour, about 1 hour recordings that are typically done live. We have 2 live workshops a month with the membership, and so those then get recorded and stored here. And as you can see, there's a wide variety of topics, and I'll be working in the future on arranging these into a path for different types of needs and different experience of teachers and things like that. But we have everything from basically using reinforcement in the classroom up through providing leadership in the special education classroom and lesson planning. So we have a wide variety of things that people have requested. And then we have quick wins, and quick wins are 5 to 15-minute videos that might be a trick that helps you make use of resources more effectively in your classroom, or it might be a tool that you can use in your classroom, like communication temptations or a graphing tool for data collection, a social script for recess. So these are being constantly added to. This is an area I'm really trying to build up, but they're designed to be things that you can take and use in your classroom the next day. And then these often come with a video that walks you through how to do it, and then resources that support it. Most of our resources are provided as part of the workshops or the quick wins. I'm working on an IEP goal database right now, and we have a variety of forms that are available with the workshops. Some of them are stored here. There are a few things from my TPT store as they've supported the data workshop or the classroom activity, the classroom course, but in general, you will not find a lot of TPT resources on here. We have live workshops, as I said, twice a month, and a live question and answer every quarter. And then we also have a very thriving community with places to vent, places to ask questions, share ideas. We do challenges and study groups periodically. A place to find all the announcements and everything that's coming up, as well as ask questions about the course material and share materials that you've made in your classroom. So hopefully this gives you a good overview of what is available in the membership. But if you have any questions, please feel free to type in the chat box and ask me. I'm happy to answer anything that you may ask about, or there are some frequently asked questions down farther down the page.